Hi everyone, and thank you very much for joining me in this tutorial. So here in this video we are going to talk about this beautiful weather application which has been built on React Native. Now, in the beginning, we are going to see how this application works, and later on in this video, I'm going to show you the coding thing that we have done for creating this application. So stay tuned with me. Let's dive into this tutorial and check out this beautiful React Native based mobile application. So here you can see it shows us the weather real-time weather of America. Now, if I want to check out the weather of Ghaziabad, which is one of the popular cities of Uttar Pradesh, so I can just key in the city name over here, and when I'll click this search button, it will hit the weather map. Okay, openweathermap.org named website, and it will bring for us the weather condition of the city in real time. Okay, the real-time weather condition, and it will show us on this application like this. Okay, so it's a cloudy weather over there. Now I would like to see the weather of Tokyo. Let's see what's gonna happen. So yes, there also we have a cloudy weather with a humidity rate of 27% and wind speed is 5.66. There are other parameters also that you can pull, and you can show to the user on the screen. Fine, and let's check out the weather of Uttarakhand. Let's see what are we going to get. Okay, there is nothing like Uttarakhand right now. Maybe I typed it incorrectly. There was a spelling mistake. No problem. Let's type some other city name. So let's go with about a country name, China. Okay, so I'm able to get the weather condition, real-time weather condition of China. And then if I want to get the weather condition of let's key in Chennai. Let's see what are we going to get. Okay, so there also we have a cloudy weather with a humidity rate of 63%, and this is what the temperature of Chennai is. Okay, now how this application is working like this, that's what we are going to see by checking out the code of the application. Okay, so as I've told you, it's built on React Native. So here I have the code in front of you. We have this entry point called app.js, wherein I have defined the API key. Okay, now from where I've got this API key, let me show it to you. So once you're done with creating a profile on this beautiful website, you have to come here on API keys and generate an API key for yourself. So that's what my API key looks like, and I've just copied it and pasted it over here. And then you have to come down, and here you have to define the point which you have to hit with the help of the city name the user is passing, and the API key that you have got from the application. Okay, in order to bring the real-time weather condition of this city. Okay, so we have created a variable over here, you can say. Then we have created a function called set weather data. So this is basically helping us in getting the data, and then we are passing it to this function called set weather data, which is then putting it on the front end like this. Okay, so this data that you're seeing over here is this data which we can see, which you're able to see on this mobile devices screen. Okay, mobile devices application screen. Now we have to come down, and then we have this function called fetch weather data. Okay, so initially when you will open this application, you'll get to see the weather, real-time weather of Ghaziabad. Okay, because by default it is Ghaziabad, which we have set over here. You can set it accordingly as per your requirement, but for now it is Ghaziabad. Okay, now where is this fetch weather data coming from? Let me show it to you. So we have a component, we have a folder called components, in which we have two different JavaScript files, one for search bar and the other for weather.js. So whatever design you're seeing over here, okay, it's coming from this weather.js, and on the top you can see a search bar which is coming from the search bar.js. So basically we have imported these two JavaScript files over here on the top. Okay, and then we are using it in our entry point called app.js. Now what is the code inside search bar.js? Let's check it out. So we have this placeholder called enter city name that you can see over here on the top, and then we have this city name, which if the person types something over here, let's say, and he hits this search button, so what happens is the text inputs value becomes equal to the city name, and that's what is passed to this fetch weather data named function. Okay, now this is where we are using it. Okay, and then finally we are passing this fetch weather data value over here to this use effect. Okay, and this is what we are getting over here, right? This is a function. Okay, and we are getting the city name from this search bar's text input element. Okay, and once the city name comes and the API key we are getting from here comes over here, automatically this particular thing gives us the data for this particular city, and that's what we pass to this weather.js. Okay, and show it on the mobile device. Right, so this is a very simple application which you can try out if you are a beginner, right? If you have just started learning React Native, this is one of the application which with the help of which you can learn about how the code flows in React Native application, how app.js works, and how you can define different types of components inside your React Native application. So that's it from my side. I hope you guys liked the lecture a lot. Do not forget to like and share this video, right? And also let me know about the topics with the help of which you think you'll be able to learn React Native more easily. I'll try to cover them up on my channel. Thank you very much, guys, for joining me. Bye bye. Take care and have a great day ahead, guys.